Due to high level of rug pulling and 99% chance of being scammed in the Solana meme coin trading ecospace, a lot of people have been shifting their activities, their attention to Base and BNB meme coin trading. Now, in the BNB meme coin trading and Base meme coin trading, the chances of being scammed or the coin being rug pulled is not as high as it is in the Solana meme coin trading, and that is why people are shifting their attention to that section. But however, it has been proving some kind of difficult for people to understand where and how to trade this Base and BNB meme coin. So that is why I am doing this video. Now, in this video, I will show you the quickest and simplest way that you can trade BNB meme coins, Base meme coins, even Ethereum meme coins with ease. You understand? So if this video sounds like what you will love or you'll be interested in, please make sure to like this video, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And if you've not been following my channel, you are welcome. This is Blockchainplus. In this place, I teach you everything about crypto investment and trading. So just do well to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you will stay in the know when I drop this kind of valuable content for you. And most importantly, if you want to get recent update, or if you want to continue to get update from me, then don't forget to join the Blockchainplus community on Telegram. All right, with that said, so let's just dive into today's video. Now, this interface I'm showing to you right now, this is Dex Screener. So a lot of people use pump.fun, Dex Screener to check for meme coins that they can trade. Now, in Dex Screener, I'm just going to use Dex Screener. I'm not going to go to pump.fun because it's going to make the video too long. So in Dex Screener, you can see that there are lots of ecosystem coins right here. We have Solana ecosystem, we have Base ecosystem, we have Ethereum, we have BNB, we have lots of them. Now, if I just come to this section right here, if you see this place that says all chain, yeah, this place right here that says all chain. If I just click on that all chain, you are going to see Solana, Base, BSC, Ethereum, Polygon, Pulse Chain, Tron, Arbitron. So there are a lot of chains right here. You understand? Now, this is where you just come to search for the coins that you want to trade or that you will be interested in. Now, for the time being, or as at the time of recording this video, Dex Screener actually provides wallet for you to be able to buy and trade this coin, but however, it is not applicable on the mobile version. If you check right here, there is no place for you to add wallet right here. So I'm going to show you how you can trade BNB and Base coins using GMGN. So for you to be able to trade any other meme coin apart from Solana, all you need to do, first of all, you need to download the GMGN. I'm going to leave the link to how to download it and register in the description of this video or in my bio. So just go to that link, register with GMGN. So I'm just going to go to my GMGN right now. If I open this place, you can see right here, this is GMGN, this one right here. So that is GMGN. So I've already downloaded the app. So just register and download the app. Now, this is my own app. If you look at this app right now, I don't have any cash right here. You can see it right here. That's because I use other platforms to do my own trading, but this is the simplest way to trade all these meme coins. You understand? So for beginners, if you just want to use this, because it is easy to use and very simple and also fast to use, and it also can help you trade other ecosystem at one place instead of having several different wallets. You understand? So that is what you need to understand. So let me just show you how to use this place. So if I come to this place right now, I'm going to just go to, okay, let me just go to settings. So this is home. This place is home right here. You can see that is home, and this is where your wallet is. So those are the important things you need to understand. And if I click on this one right here, you can see this place is just for you to see the coins that are being launched recently. You can see here, this is new, this is new, this is almost bonded, this is migrated. You get? So those are the coins that are coming up. Of course, it also acts like pump.fun. You get? So but for now, we are going to concentrate on the home and then our wallet. No, so first of all, once you register, the first thing you want to do is to deposit money in this place. So depending on the the meme coins you want to trade. If you want to trade BNB meme coin, so you're going to be depositing BNB. If you want to trade Ethereum, you're going to be depositing Ethereum. So you click on deposit. This is deposit right here. So click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you can see right here, can see deposit BNB. That is what I have right there, right? So I'm going to just deposit BNB. Now, if it is not BNB I want to deposit, I want to choose another chain, another network, for instance, Ethereum, Solana, or any other one. Then I will leave this place. I'll just close this place. Then you see this place that I have BNB right here. You can see that place I am having BNB logo. So I'll just click on that place and change it. Right now I can see that my own is set to BSC. So I can choose Solana, I can choose Base, I can choose Monad, I can choose Ethereum or Tron, right? So anyone I want, I can choose, but these are the ones they have right now. So let's say I want to go with Base, I'll just choose Base. So once I choose Base, you can see that my wallet has changed from BNB to Base. Now, if you look at this place, if I click on deposit right now, you can see it's now saying deposit ETH. So that is what you need to understand. First of all, you need to know the network you want to deposit. If it is BNB, make sure you choose BNB right here. If it is Ethereum, make sure you choose Ethereum. If it is Base, make sure you choose Base so that you don't conflict the wallet. Now, once you choose your wallet and you deposit, let's go back to BSC so that we'll just stay on BNB because that's what we want to do. So let's go back to BSC. So now let's say we choose BSC, which is BNB, and click on deposit. Of course, you're going to see our deposit wallet address right here. You can see it right here. You can see copy. So what you just need to do is to copy the wallet. Once you copy the wallet like this, so you can now go to your Bybit, to your Binance, to any other centralized exchange and deposit BNB. Make sure you buy BNB from that exchange and deposit here. You get? So I'm not going to walk you through on how to withdraw from your Bybit or from your Binance. If you want to know that, I've already done videos on how to withdraw. So just go to those videos and understand how to withdraw from Bybit or Binance. So just go to your exchange, withdraw. Once you withdraw, you're going to see it reflect here. Now, once your coin is here, once your deposit reflects here. Now, the next thing you want to do is to now start trading. So how do you start trading? First of all, you can find the coins by searching here. You can see when you come to this place, you can see here top coins. You can see Solana chain, BSC, Base, Monad, Ethereum chain. So depending on the ones you want. So I want BSC, which is BNB. That's where I am right now. So I can just look through all of these, and then the one I want to buy, I'll click on it. Once I click on it, you can see the buy button right here. You can see buy button right here. You can see sell button right here. So I want to buy, I'll click on buy. If I want to sell, maybe the price has gone up, I want to sell, I click on sell and I sell. So here it's very easy for you to sell. Now let's say somebody gives you a coin as well. Let's say you get a coin. Let me just go back. Let's say you get a coin from Dex Screener. Let me come to Dex Screener right now and I get a coin. Now make sure that the coin is on the BSC ecosystem or BNB ecosystem. For you to know that it's on BNB ecosystem, you must see this BNB logo on the coin. You can see this one is Solana logo. So that's not BSC. This is BNB logo. This is Solana. So make sure you see the ones with BNB logo like this. So once it's on BNB logo, you know that okay, this one is BNB ecosystem. So once you open it up like this, then you can see this is Shisa. So let's see the wallet address. You can see the wallet address right here. Just click on this copy sign to copy the wallet address. So let's say someone sends you a coin and you've copied the wallet address. What you just need to do is to go back to your GMGN. Once you come back to your GMGN, so you click on this search button right here. So you click on the search button. Another thing also that happens is that once you copy any coin wallet address and it is valid and you come to GMGN, automatically you're going to see it here. It's going to appear. It's going to tell you clipboard content detected and you can see this Chisa right there. So what you just need to do is you click on go to trade. But should in case your own did not appear like that, you click on this search bar. Once you click on search bar, then you paste the wallet address right there. Once you paste the wallet address, you're going to still see it like so. So this is it. You can see it right here. Then I'll click on it. Now, when I click on it, there are three instances that you can use for buying. The first one is instant buy. The next one is market. The second third one is limit. So most of the time I use market. You can just see market right there. You can, once you see market, then you put your BNB. If you want to buy with, let's say, 0.2 BNB, you just put 0.2 BNB. Right now it's going to tell me insufficient wallet balance because I don't have money in this wallet. Now if you want to buy with 0.1, you put 0.1. Once you put it, you click on buy. If you have money right here in this place, you're going to see the buy button is going to be active. Right now my own is not active. It's saying insufficient balance because I don't have money right here. So once you have money and everything is set like this, you just click on the buy button and it's going to buy. So once you buy the coin, the next thing you want to do is to go to your wallet. Now once you buy the coin, you're going to see it under your holdings. You can see holding right here. If you set on limit order, you're going to see it on trades. Right now if I have bought it, it's going to be on holding, right, like so. So you see it in this place. You just see the coins line up here. You just see it line up in all of these places down, depending on the number of coins that you have. Now let's say one has gone up and you want to sell it. Same thing, is easy. All you just need to do is to come to the coin, click on the coin, or you come to trade, you copy the wallet address, you paste it just like the way we did, and then wait for it to load. Click on it. So once you click on it like this and it opens up, then you click on the sell button and then you put the amount. This time around you're not putting 0.1 BNB or 0.2 BNB. You're putting the total number of coins you have. Let's say you have like 1 million. It's going to be showing in this balance place. If you have 100, it's going to also be showing here. If you want to sell everything, it's simple. Just drag this bob button here, just drag it all the way to the end like this. 100%. If you want to sell 75%, you drag it to 75. If you want to sell 50%, you drag it to 50%, like so, and then you click on sell and you sell, and you're going to see your money return back to you in BNB in your wallet. So all you just need to do is to go back to your wallet and you're going to see the money returned to you in your BNB wallet, and you're going to see the balance right here as well. So this is how you use the GMGM to execute trade faster and swiftly without any issues. Alright guys, I believe this video has helped you to understand how to trade BNB and base coins using the GMGM applications. So if you have any question, like I said, just drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to all of your questions for you. And if this video helped you to get value, please drop it in the comment section as well, and then give this video a like if you love this content. And most importantly, do not fail to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed.